Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on iron scrubber technique for beginners in acrylic painting. Today we will explore how you can use this versatile tool to add texture and depth to your artwork. Start by gathering your materials. Acrylic paint in your chosen color, a canvas or surface to paint on, and of course an iron scrubber. Yes, the kind of you might use for cleaning dishes. Make sure it's clean and free from any residue before using it. First, squeeze it a bit of acrylic paint directly onto your palette. The beauty of this technique is in how easily you can blend colors, so don't be afraid to mix different shades together for a more dynamic look. Now dip your iron scrubber into the paint. You will want just enough paint to cover the surface without overloading it. Gently press the scrubber onto the canvas, making circular or stripling motion. This will create interesting texture and pattern that mimic the look of natural elements like foliage, clouds or rough surface. Keep varying your pressure. A lighter touch will give you a soft touch texture, while pressing harder will result in bolder, more defined marks. The iron scrubber is great for creating layers. Once your first layer dries, you can repeat the process, adding more colors or enhancing the specific areas of your painting. Try different angles and strokes to keep things dynamic. If you want to blend out some areas, simply use a soft brush or a sponge to smooth transitions between the scrubber texture and other part of your paintings. And there you have it. With a simple iron scrubber and some acrylic paint, you can quickly add texture and depth to your painting, making them truly unique. Perfect for beginners, this technique is a fun and creative way to experiment with your artistic processes. Thanks for watching and happy painting. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press